A will is simply a set of instructions for a probate court to follow after a testator's death. When a testator dies, the executor files the will with the probate court, and the probate court gives the named executor authority to transfer the testator's assets to the named beneficiaries in their will. A misconception is that a will avoids probate. If a will is presented to a financial institution, a bank, for example, the bank will tell whoever is presenting the will that they need a court order before transferring any assets. On the other hand, a trust is a legal document that can hold assets. A trust can be named as the beneficiary of assets on the grantor's death and can be used to avoid probate. Your beneficiaries will only avoid probate if the trust is funded by the grantor, the person who created the trust, during their lifetime or upon their death. The obvious difference between a will and a trust is that assets titled to a trust avoid the probate process. There is no waiting period to access assets, and there is no court intervention. What are the benefits of each? The benefits of a will estate plan are its simplicity. It requires no more than a few meetings with your attorney to set up. There are several benefits to using a trust and an estate plan. Grantors of a trust can transfer their assets to the trust during their life or upon their death via a transfer on death beneficiary designation and avoid the probate process entirely. Another benefit of a trust is creditor protection. An attorney can include certain provisions in a trust to shield the assets from creditors after the grantor dies. Not all trusts do this, so if this is a goal of yours, it is important to make that clear to your attorney. Finally, another key benefit of a trust is ease and flexibility if beneficiaries ever change in the future. This means that if you ever want to add a beneficiary to your estate plan, you can simply modify one provision of the trust that holds all of your assets. Trusts and wills both have a place in estate planning, and there is no one-size-fits-all solution when preparing an estate plan. It is crucial to share your goals and any concerns you may have with your estate planning attorney. You can contact Amanda May at 216-621-7860 with your estate planning questions.